Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you for watching our video today. This is day 12 of the 12 days of Waxmas. Really interesting case this one. Gentleman's come through with a very strange sensation in his ear. We can see we've got a foreign body sitting just in front of the eardrum, wedged between the eardrum, and it's actually attached itself to the skin, and that little lump you can see to the bottom right corner. We'll magnify it up now. You can see the edge is actually embedded into the skin. So we can remove this, but it's going to pull on that skin, so we're going to probably end up with a little bit of bleeding here as we take this away. Patient's happy enough to get it done because it's really irritating the ear and causing lots of kind of strange sensations and noises in the ear canal, as well as this is moving around against the eardrum. You can see we're just using the fine end here to try and get a grip, but as you can see, when we try and get a grip, it's really firmly attached to that bit of skin at the base of the canal. We can actually see the top portion really awkwardly pressing against the top of the eardrum. We can actually see it flexing the drum as we try and get a grip here. So just keep altering position to see if I can. I know it's attached to the bottom, so if I aim slightly higher up, we're hoping it's going to pull it to the suction. But obviously the higher up we try and aim for this, the less of this little object we've got to try and pull towards the suction. So we can see it's really, really embedded in there. So what I'm going to do, it's going to be a delicate job. We're going to have to take this out with forceps. So very, very gently, I'm going to slow this video down now. So what you'll see is we're going to work our way down towards this, this little object. We're going to have to hold onto it quite tightly, and we're going to have to lift up and back to get it away from the drum. But like I said, because it's embedded in that little bit of skin there, it's probably going to cause a pull on the skin, and the blood vessels in here are paper thin. You can see as it detached there, you can see it detaching from the bottom of the canal wall. So when we take a look, yeah, we've scratched the skin there as it's come away, and you can see that little tiny droplet of blood formed there where it's just broken the surface of one of the blood vessels. So that will actually just dry in that spot and eventually will come away. You can see where it's just coming from, exactly that spot where we were attached on the inner part of the ear. We don't know what this is, okay? So I'd like to get your comments and you think about what this could be. We've got a rough idea what we think it may be, but we don't 100% sure. So you can see there's lots of little tendrils. It's perfectly oval in shape. So, and this little sort of drier section coming off to the right hand side of it there. I'm going to zoom in on this in a second using the endoscope so you can get a really good look at it. So you've got these very fine hairs on one end. That's what was attached into that skin. Then you've got this kind of outer hard shell there. It does feel natural. It doesn't feel man-made. So this is not cotton wool or Q-tips. But yeah, pop in the comments below what you think it is, because I'd like to get your opinion on this as well. We know what we think it is, but I'd like to know what you think it is as well. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always guys, until the next time, take care.